Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use voice control for ChatGPT. First, open the Chrome browser on your device. Then, click on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the browser window. This will open up a menu. Scroll down inside this menu until you see the option to open the Chrome Web Store. Once the Web Store page loads up, use the search bar at the top to search for voice control for ChatGPT. You should see the relevant extension appear in the search results. Access the first extension that appears and click on the Add to Chrome button to install it. Make sure to confirm the action by clicking on the Add Extension button again when prompted. After installing the extension, you will be automatically redirected to the ChatGPT website. Now, simply click on the microphone icon that appears on the ChatGPT page. This will activate the voice control feature, allowing you to speak your prompts and commands instead of typing them. So that's all for this video. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.